Are you looking for an easy way to make your vehicle look brand new again? Slick Products Shine and Protectant is your solution to instantly shine, renew, and protect surfaces on all your vehicles. This easy-to-use silicone coating is designed for interior and exterior use and safely applies to a variety of surfaces, including plastic, vinyl, rubber, fiberglass, and even metal. When applied, it immediately begins filling microscopic pores and disperses to form a smooth, shiny barrier across the surfaces of your vehicle. This barrier prevents debris from creating a strong bond with the surface. Reducing adhesion makes the removal of dirt, mud, and other grime much easier when it's time to clean up. Slick Products Shine and Protectant Spray is a fan favorite. It's easy to use, smells great, and offers you instant results. It has quickly asserted its spot as one of the most sought-after coatings, and we believe it'll be your new favorite too. Don't miss this special offer. We guarantee you'll love it or your money back. Get yours today at slickproductsusa.com.